Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Pipedrive and exploring how the right integrations can supercharge remote teams. As businesses increasingly shift to remote work, having a robust CRM like Pipedrive is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you connect Pipedrive with other powerful tools, streamlining workflows, improving communication, and boosting productivity. Whether your team is scattered across cities or continents, these integrations help everyone stay aligned and efficient. Let's start by understanding why integrations matter so much for remote teams and how they can transform your daily operations. Integrations are the backbone of a seamless remote work experience. They allow different software tools to communicate with each other, eliminating manual data entry and reducing errors. For remote teams, this means less time spent switching between platforms and more time focusing on what matters, building relationships and closing deals. Integrations also ensure that everyone has access to the most up-to-date information, no matter where they are. This is crucial for maintaining transparency and accountability in a distributed team environment. Next, let's look at some essential categories of integrations for remote teams using Pipedrive. Effective communication is the lifeblood of any remote team. Integrating Pipedrive with communication tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams ensures that important updates and notifications are delivered instantly to the right people. For example, you can set up automated alerts for deal progress, new leads, or task assignments. This keeps everyone in the loop and minimizes the risk of missed information. With these integrations, your team can discuss deals, share files, and make decisions faster, all without leaving their preferred chat platform. Let's explore how Slack integration works with Pipedrive. Slack is a favorite among remote teams for real-time messaging and collaboration. By integrating Slack with Pipedrive, you can automatically send updates about deals, activities, or tasks directly to specific channels or team members. For instance, when a deal moves to a new stage, everyone in the sales channel gets notified instantly. This reduces the need for constant check-ins and ensures that no critical update slips through the cracks. Plus, you can even create new Pipedrive deals or activities right from Slack, making your workflow even more efficient. Microsoft Teams is another powerful communication platform for remote teams. Integrating it with Pipedrive allows you to receive CRM updates directly within your team's channels. You can set up notifications for new leads, deal progress, or completed activities, ensuring everyone stays informed. This integration also supports collaboration by letting team members discuss deals and share insights without switching apps. The result? Faster decision-making and a more connected remote team. Email remains a cornerstone of business communication, especially for remote teams. Pipedrive's email integrations with platforms like Gmail and Outlook allow you to send, receive, and track emails directly within the CRM. This means all your client correspondence is automatically linked to the right deals and contacts. No more searching through endless email threads. You can also use templates, schedule emails, and set reminders, making follow-ups easier and more consistent. With Gmail integration, Pipedrive users can manage their entire email workflow without leaving the CRM. Every email sent or received is automatically linked to the relevant deal or contact, providing full context for every conversation. You can also use Pipedrive's email tracking features to see when recipients open your messages, helping you time your follow-ups perfectly. This integration is a must-have for remote teams who rely on Gmail for daily communication. For teams using Microsoft Outlook, Pipedrive's integration offers similar benefits. You can sync emails, contacts, and calendars, ensuring that all important information is accessible from one place. This integration helps remote teams avoid duplicate work and keeps everyone on the same page. With Calendar Sync, you can also schedule meetings and follow-ups directly from Pipedrive, making it easier to coordinate across time zones. Remote teams rely heavily on video meetings to stay connected. Integrating Pipedrive with video conferencing tools like Zoom or Microsoft Teams meetings makes scheduling and joining calls effortless. You can create meeting links directly from Pipedrive, attach them to deals or activities, and send invites to clients or colleagues. This ensures that everyone has the right information at their fingertips and reduces the risk of missed meetings. Zoom is a go-to platform for video calls. By integrating Zoom with Pipedrive, you can automatically generate meeting links and add them to your calendar, events, or deal activities. This makes it easy for remote teams to coordinate calls with clients and internal stakeholders. Plus, you can track which deals have upcoming meetings and ensure that follow-ups are timely and organized. Keeping track of meetings, deadlines, and follow-ups is critical for remote teams. Pipedrive's calendar integrations with Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar ensure that all your events are synced in real time. This means no more double bookings or missed appointments. You can view your entire schedule within Pipedrive, making it easier to plan your day and stay on top of important tasks. Google Calendar integration allows remote teams to sync events, meetings, and reminders between Pipedrive and their calendars. Any changes made in one platform are instantly reflected in the other. This ensures that everyone is always up to date, regardless of where they're working from. You can also set up reminders and notifications, helping your team stay organized and punctual. For teams using Outlook, the calendar integration with Pipedrive offers similar benefits. All your meetings and deadlines are synced, so you never miss an important event. This is especially useful for remote teams working across different time zones. With everything in one place, scheduling becomes a breeze and everyone stays on track. Managing projects remotely can be challenging without the right tools. Integrating Pipedrive with project management platforms like Trello or Asana helps teams track tasks, deadlines, and progress in real time. You can link deals to specific projects, assign tasks to team members, and monitor completion rates. This keeps everyone accountable and ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. Trello is a popular project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize work. By integrating Trello with Pipedrive, you can automatically create cards for new deals or activities, track progress visually, and collaborate with your team in real time. This integration is perfect for remote teams who need a clear overview of their workflow and want to keep everyone aligned. Asana is another powerful project management platform. Integrating it with Pipedrive allows you to create tasks from deals, set deadlines, and assign responsibilities automatically. This ensures that every sales opportunity is followed up with the right actions, and nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Remote teams benefit from clear task lists and transparent progress tracking. Remote teams need easy access to important documents and files. Integrating Pipedrive with cloud storage solutions like Google Drive or Dropbox ensures that all your files are organized and accessible from anywhere. You can attach documents to deals, share files with clients, and collaborate in real time. This eliminates the hassle of searching for files across multiple platforms. Google Drive integration allows you to link files and folders directly to Pipedrive deals or contacts. This makes it easy for remote teams to find the documents they need, collaborate on proposals, and share updates with clients. You can also control access permissions, ensuring that sensitive information stays secure. Dropbox is another popular cloud storage solution. By integrating Dropbox with Pipedrive, you can attach files to deals, share documents with clients, and ensure that your team always has access to the latest versions. This integration is especially useful for remote teams who need to collaborate on contracts, proposals, or presentations. Automation is a game changer for remote teams. Integrating Pipedrive with automation platforms like Zapier or Integromat allows you to connect hundreds of apps and automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can automatically create tasks, send emails, or update records based on triggers in Pipedrive. This saves time, reduces errors, and lets your team focus on high-value activities. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects Pipedrive with thousands of other apps. You can set up Zaps to automate workflows, such as creating new tasks when a deal is won, or sending notifications when a lead is added. This integration is perfect for remote teams looking to streamline processes and eliminate manual work. Integromat, now known as Make, offers advanced automation capabilities for Pipedrive users. You can create complex workflows that involve multiple steps and conditions, such as updating records, sending emails, or syncing data between platforms. This integration is ideal for remote teams with unique processes or advanced automation needs. Providing excellent customer support is essential for remote teams. Integrating Pipedrive with support platforms like Zendesk or Intercom ensures that all customer interactions are tracked and managed efficiently. You can view support tickets, track conversations, and link them to deals or contacts, giving your team a complete view of each customer's journey. Zendesk is a leading customer support platform. By integrating it with Pipedrive, your team can view and manage support tickets directly from the CRM. This ensures that sales and support teams are always on the same page, leading to faster response times and better customer experiences. You can also track ticket status and prioritize urgent issues. Intercom is another popular customer messaging platform. Integrating it with Pipedrive allows you to track conversations, view customer data, and link chats to deals or contacts. This gives remote teams a unified view of all customer interactions, making it easier to provide personalized support and close deals faster. Remote teams often need to sign and manage documents digitally. Integrating Pipedrive with e-signature platforms like DocuSign or PandaDoc streamlines the contract process. You can send documents for signature, track their status, and store signed copies directly in Pipedrive. This speeds up deal closures and ensures compliance. DocuSign integration allows remote teams to send contracts and agreements for electronic signature directly from Pipedrive. You can monitor the signing process, receive notifications when documents are signed, and keep all paperwork organized in one place. This makes it easy to close deals quickly, even when team members and clients are miles apart. PandaDoc offers advanced document management and e-signature features. Integrating it with Pipedrive lets you create, send, and track proposals or contracts seamlessly. You can also use templates to speed up document creation and ensure consistency across your team. This integration is especially valuable for remote teams handling multiple deals at once. Managing finances remotely can be complex. Integrating Pipedrive with accounting platforms like QuickBooks or Xero helps teams track invoices, payments, and expenses in real time. You can link deals to invoices, automate billing, and generate financial reports, all from within Pipedrive. This ensures that your team stays on top of finances without juggling multiple systems. QuickBooks is a leading accounting platform for small and medium businesses. By integrating it with Pipedrive, you can automatically create invoices from deals, sync payment status, and track expenses. This integration helps remote teams manage their finances efficiently and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. Xero is another popular accounting solution. Integrating it with Pipedrive allows you to link deals to invoices, automate payment tracking, and generate financial reports. This streamlines your team's financial processes and provides real-time insights into your business performance, which is especially valuable for remote teams. Marketing is a key part of any remote team's success. Integrating Pipedrive with marketing platforms like MailChimp or HubSpot helps you manage campaigns, track leads, and measure results. You can sync contacts, automate email campaigns, and analyze performance, ensuring that your marketing and sales teams work together seamlessly. MailChimp is a leading email marketing platform. By integrating it with Pipedrive, you can sync contacts, segment audiences, and automate email campaigns based on deal stages or activities. This ensures that your marketing messages are always relevant and timely, helping your remote team nurture leads and drive conversions. HubSpot offers a suite of marketing, sales, and service tools. Integrating it with Pipedrive allows you to sync data, automate workflows, and track the entire customer journey. This gives remote teams a complete view of each lead, from first touch to closed deal, and helps align marketing and sales efforts for maximum impact. Generating and managing leads is crucial for remote sales teams. Integrating Pipedrive with lead generation tools like LinkedIn or Leadfeeder helps you capture new prospects, enrich contact data, and automate lead assignment. This ensures that your team always has a steady stream of qualified leads to work with. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for B2B lead generation. By integrating it with Pipedrive, you can import leads, sync contact information, and track interactions. This makes it easier for remote teams to build relationships, follow up on opportunities, and close more deals. Leadfeeder identifies website visitors and connects them to your Pipedrive CRM. This integration helps remote teams discover new leads, understand visitor behavior, and prioritize outreach. You can automate lead assignment and ensure that your sales team always knows which prospects to focus on. Data-driven decision-making is essential for remote teams. Integrating Pipedrive with analytics platforms like Google Analytics or Tableau allows you to track performance, measure KPIs, and generate reports. This helps your team identify trends, optimize processes, and make informed decisions based on real-time data. Google Analytics integration provides insights into website traffic and user behavior. By connecting it with Pipedrive, you can track which marketing channels drive the most leads, measure conversion rates, and optimize your campaigns. This is especially valuable for remote teams managing digital marketing efforts. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool. Integrating it with Pipedrive allows remote teams to create custom dashboards, visualize sales data, and share insights with stakeholders. This makes it easier to spot trends, monitor performance, and make data-driven decisions. Security is a top priority for remote teams. Integrating Pipedrive with security tools like Okta or Auth0 ensures that your data is protected with single sign-on, SSO, and multi-factor authentication. This reduces the risk of unauthorized access and keeps your team's information safe, no matter where they're working from. Okta provides secure identity management for businesses. By integrating it with Pipedrive, you can enable single sign-on and enforce security policies for all users. This makes it easy for remote teams to access Pipedrive securely and ensures compliance with company standards. Auth0 is another leading identity management platform. Integrating it with Pipedrive allows you to implement advanced authentication methods, manage user access, and monitor security events. This is especially important for remote teams handling sensitive customer data. With so many integration options, it's important to choose the ones that best fit your remote team's needs. Consider your team's workflows, the tools you already use, and your business goals. Start with the essentials, communication, project management, and automation, then expand as your needs evolve. The right integrations will help your team stay connected, productive, and focused on what matters most. To wrap up, integrating Pipedrive with the right tools can transform the way your remote team works. From communication and project management to automation and security, these integrations streamline processes and empower your team to achieve more. Take the time to explore the integrations that align with your goals and start building a more connected, efficient, and successful remote team today.